folks, it's Pastor Center, your blue collar preacher. Finally back out at the little house on the Bluffs. We're getting down to the final details. You can see we got our tile on for our pellet stove. It's kind of like barnwood looking stuff, and we got all the tile in. The bathroom's done, the kitchen's pretty much done, we got our cabinets in. We got left really is a little bit of trim, a little bit upstairs in the loft area, the floor, and installing our pellet stove today, and probably the floor. So stay tuned to this episode of Little House on the Bluffs.
Okay, we decided to go vertical with our tile versus horizontal. I think water will run down it a lot better when I shower inside the tub. So, plus I think it gives it more of a barnwood look in our bathroom and behind our pellet stove.
Okay, well, we got the tile on the floor, up against the tub, in the shower area. I'm trying to keep the sunlight out, but we got most of the tile in. We'll finish it up next time we come out. Okay, this is what we do when we have to cut inside because there's a lot of snow outside and it's freezing. Put a tarp down to keep the water down to a very minimum. And we just kind of come in and sop it up with one of our sponges. But yep, that's how we cut our tile indoors. Just got it taped to the baker right now, wired up, and it kept our floor pretty dry. We decided to go with a two-tone in here, kind of break it up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put trim on the wall here all the way around. We're going to probably paint it a brown color just to kind of help break it up. Wife started painting the ceiling as far as she could, but we still got to give another coat, and then I'm going to trim it all out up there too, so it's still a little bit left to do in here. Okay, we're putting tile countertops. Trying to make everything look like barnwood around here. We got the sink ready. Just got to get it ready for grout too. We just glued some darker stuff like we got on our bathroom floor. You can't see right now. Well, it's already trying to move in before we get done. But anyways, doing the same thing as we did in here. I'll give you a better picture after we declutter a little bit, after we get things spaced out. Right now we are living here. We're just trying to finish up as we go. Getting ready to put Hardy backer. She decided she wants tile backsplash all the way up the wall. So now I'm gonna glue and screw Hardy backer up against the wall to help hold the tile. You don't want to put tile straight up against wood. Expands and contracts too much, so we're putting Hardy backer on first and then our tile. We use Durarock on top of plywood here. You can see this is just 3/4 OSB tongue groove, and then a slab of 1/2 inch Durarock, and then our tile on top of that. Makes a nice thick countertop, good and solid. this is not vinyl, this is a engineered wood, probably MDF nonsense. So you do need vapor barrier on this kind. So we put our vapor barrier down when it's needed. Okay, you always gotta glue the edges down, your first couple of pieces. So I'll glue that. And my piece I cut off for over here is my starter here now. Glue it down.